guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make my version of a Mexican pizza. In case you just want to learn how I make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 2 pounds of ground beef, small flour tortillas, refried beans, 15 ounces of tomato sauce, Mexican style cheese, a half of a small white onion, 1 Roma tomato, 1 tablespoon of minced onion, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, a half a teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, garlic salt, ground cumin, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, cayenne pepper, chili powder, and paprika, and your favorite toppings. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so first we're going to start by prepping our meat. So we're going to dice 1 tomato. Alright, so once we have our tomato, we're going to do the same to our onion. Alright, so once we have our onion and tomato, we can begin cooking. Alright guys, so in a pan, we're going to set it on medium-high heat. We're going to add a little bit of oil. And we're just going to wait for that to heat up. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to throw in our tomatoes and onions. And we're just going to saute them for a couple minutes. Alright, so after a couple minutes, we're going to throw in our meat. We're just going to break it down a little. Alright, so now we're going to add our spices. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 2 teaspoons of garlic salt. So that's our taco seasoning. Alright, so once we have our taco seasoning, we're going to mix it all together and continue to break down your meat. And we're also going to add a little bit of salt. So as far as the salt is going to be to your liking, it's going to be fine for me. So just continue cooking your meat. Alright guys, so once our meat has browned and some of the oil came out of our meat, we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Just mix it. This is just going to thicken up the meat. So just dissolve it like that. So just make sure that you don't get no clumps. Alright, so once our cornstarch has dissolved with our meat, we're going to mix it all together and finish cooking it for about 5 minutes. Alright, so after 5 minutes, our meat is done. So now we're just going to turn it off, cover it, and set it to the side. So now to make our sauce, we're going to grab our saucepan. We're going to set it on medium heat. We're going to add our tomato sauce, 3/4 cup of water, our vinegar, our minced onion, our sugar. We're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So just sprinkle it. And now we're just going to mix it all together. And we're just going to wait for that to come to a simmer. Alright guys, so once our sauce begins to simmer, we're going to lower down the heat and let that simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just make sure that you keep an eye on it, so like that our sauce doesn't stick to the pot. Alright guys, so once our sauce is ready, this is what it should look like. So now you just want to try it and see if it needs anything, and if it does, then just add it. If you want your sauce to be a little more spicy, just add cayenne pepper. So now our sauce is ready, so we're going to start working on our tortillas. Alright, so now we're going to fry our tortillas. So I'm going to use my Comal, set it on medium-high heat. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of oil. So we're just going to wait for that to heat up, and then we can begin to fry our tortillas. Alright guys, so while we wait for our oil to heat up, we're going to grab a toothpick and we're going to begin to poke our tortilla. So just poke it all around the tortilla, and this is going to prevent from bubbles to form on the tortilla, which will make your tortilla not even when we're making our pizza. So just do it on both sides. Alright, so once our oil is hot, we're going to place our tortilla and begin to fry it. So fry it for a couple minutes or until the sides of your tortilla is golden brown. Make sure that no bubbles form. So just flip it and do the same to the other side. Alright, so once both sides are golden, we're going to place it on a roasting sheet. And we're going to repeat the process and just add oil as needed. We're going to be using 2 tortillas for each pizza. So once you have your tortillas ready, we're going to place them in the oven. Alright, so we're going to place them in the oven for 5 minutes. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, we're going to remove the tortillas from the oven. And now we are ready to build our pizzas. Alright guys, so we're going to start by spreading a thin layer of beans. So just spread them like that. Then we're going to add our meat. And just spread them. So just spread your meat evenly. Okay. Now we're going to grab our other tortilla and we're going to spread our sauce. Place it on top of your meat. So we're going to add our cheese, and I love cheese. So we're going to put a good amount. Just spread it on your pizza there. Okay, so now we're going to start topping our pizza with your favorite toppings. So I'm going to grab some tomatoes. And if you have kids, right now is the perfect time to build your own pizza. I'm going to add some black olives. Some chiles serranos. Oopsie. Okay. And some green onion. And that's enough for me. So now we're going to put it back in the oven for about 3 minutes or until the cheese completely melts. Cheese has melted and now our pizzas are ready to be enjoyed. Alright guys, so now we are ready to enjoy our delicious Mexican pizza. So I'm just going to cut it. Hear that? Super delicious. And of course you can cut it in half again and share it. I'm so ready. Alright guys, so now we are ready to enjoy. Alright guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. I am so ready. So delicious. Everything is just perfect. So easy to make, guys, and your kids are going to enjoy it as well. The best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how I make some delicious Mexican pizzas. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres